Hey y'all, guess what I'm doing today? I'm giving away 2 of my cookbooks. I'm giving away Happiness is Homemade, y'all, and I'm giving away Time to Eat, y'all. Why am I doing this, you say? Well, you know what? Today is National Twin Day, and I happen to be a twin. My dad's a twin. We got twins all in our family. So today's National Twin Day, and as a shout out to all the twins out there, I'm going to give away 2 of my cookbooks. And also, it's National Book Lovers Day. And as you can see, you're in the library with me, and I absolutely love my books. And right behind me, you will see my cookbook collection. And you'll also see one of my favorite devotional books here, and it's called God Calling. I love that book, and it's got me through a lot of tough times and a lot of happy times. But today's the day I want to tell you how you can get in the running for these 2 cookbooks right here. I'll give these away and do a drawing for these on Wednesday. But in order to qualify, I just need you to share 2 of my videos. Share 2 of my cooking videos on your page, okay? That's all you got to do. And then go under this post and give me a thumbs up or say I've done it, or put whichever videos that you shared and I'll check them out. Also, I will share some of my videos under this one, so it'll be easier for you to find. So anyway, under this link, scroll down and you'll see some of the links to my videos. And remember, if you want to do it a different way, you can go to www.dannastandridge.com. That's www.dannastandridge.com. Or you can go to my YouTube channel called Danna Standridge. And of course, I'm always here on Facebook. But anyway, I want to give you an opportunity to get these 2 cookbooks sent to you in the mail. So I will do a drawing on Wednesday. And listen, good luck, y'all. And I want to tell you just a little tidbit of information about what's been going on. I had some folks say, where have you been? Well, let me tell you something. Coronavirus has hit my family, and I was one of them it got after a family get together. So I've been getting over that for the month of July, and it's a rough thing. So prayers for our country and prayers for all of you. I hope you don't get it, but me, my son-in-law, my daughter, my grandson, my granddaughter, it's just gone through the family because of a family get together. So anyway, we're going to keep our head up, we're going to pray, and we're going to win some cookbooks for National Twins Day and National Book Lovers Day. All right, y'all, bye-bye. Get to posting those videos.